My name is Fort Suze. I was born and raised here in Panama City, Florida. That's me in our local paper as a baby. How cute. So when I was approached to make a series of promotional videos on the area, I took it as an opportunity to rediscover my hometown. When I was growing up, Panama City Beach was famous for its white sand beaches, its emerald green waters, its warm sunshine, and of course, spring break. But long before Panama City Beach was a spring break hotspot, it was a favorite summer family destination, which is actually what brought my family to the area in the first place.
So beautiful. The sand was lovely. It was very quiet. Very few people were here. We decided this is a place we'd like to come.
In my interviews, I found that this was a common theme, love for the pristine beaches.
The thing that I like about Panama City Beach, better than any other beach in the whole world, the ocean's gorgeous. Sand is beautifully white. It's so peaceful.
Well, I first came to Panama City in 1969, and I was really struck by the beauty of the beaches here and the natural wildlife.
But Panama City Beach has developed extensively in recent years. So is it still possible to find such seclusion? If you're looking for it, it can be. Panama City Beach is bordered by two state parks, Camp Helen on the western side and St. Andrews State Park on the eastern side, which won Dr. Beach's Best Beach of the Year in 1995, giving credence to the area's tagline, World's Most Beautiful Beaches. But the crown jewel of the area's beaches is Shell Island. Shell Island is an undeveloped 7-mile stretch of white sand beach across the bay from St. Andrews State Park. There are numerous ways of getting there, including pontoon boat rentals, kayak rentals, shuttle rides, and wave runner tours. In addition to its beaches, Panama City Beach offers the expected array of family-oriented tourist activities, including mini golf, arcades, kiddie rides, and amusement parks. But in recent years, Panama City Beach has become home to a number of attractions and activities with a more interactive flair, including a Ripley's Believe It or Not with a moving 4D theater, and a Wonderworks with a number of interactive games and rides, and a stirring multi-level ropes course. If you're looking for something even more interactive, Panama City Beach boasts a number of growing sports that puts you in the driver's seat. While Panama City Beach is not traditionally known as a surfing mecca, it does have its moments. And for anyone interested in the ever-growing sport of stand-up paddleboarding, it's the perfect destination.
Most of the time, our waters are calm. And with the waters so emerald clear blue and with all the sea life and stuff, you can get out there, you can go back in the bays and the rivers. There's so much flexibility, so many things you can do with the paddleboard, and also you can surf with it.
But if stand-up paddleboarding is too tame for your taste, there are other options. Like stand-up paddleboarding, kiteboarding is a relatively new sport, but there the similarities end. Kiteboarders can reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour and perform aerial maneuvers lasting 5 to 10 seconds. The world record is 22 seconds. That's 22 seconds in the air. I think they call that flying.
It's definitely gotten a lot easier to learn in the last couple of years with the advancements in the gear. This area in particular is definitely a great place to learn. We've got great beaches, killer surf, awesome flat water in the bays and lagoons, nice warm water in the spring and summer, and consistent winds throughout the entire year.
Of course, the area is famous for its fishing with 3 piers, 2 of which are among the longest on the Gulf Coast at 1,500 feet each. There are plenty of offshore fishing options as well, and for you trailblazers who want to try something new, Panama City Beach is home to another growing water sport, kayak fishing.
What makes Panama City Beach so unique about it, we have a lot of inshore wrecks, natural bottoms within 1 or 2 miles off the beach, so you can actually catch snapper and grouper out of a kayak without the need of a power boat and burning all your fuels and everything.
If you're looking to give your sea legs a rest, Panama City Beach offers a number of land-based activities as well. Panama City Beach is a great destination for golfers with over 10 courses, including Camp Creek, Nicholas Designs Bay Point Golf Club, The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly of the Ombre, Holiday Golf Club, and many more. Panama City Beach is also home to the area's only PGA-certified golf simulator, the Emerald Coast Golf Center. For you animal lovers, there's always Zoo World, which gives visitors up-close and personal encounters with a wide variety of animals. On my visit, I learned that the lemur dance scene from Madagascar is not far off. Gulf World is another great option, offering live events, daily shows, and an opportunity to swim with the dolphins. And if you're into shopping, eating, or hanging out in general, Pier Park is always a solid choice. Hopefully this video has given you a broader view of Panama City Beach's recreation options. In our next video, we'll take a look at some fantastic dining choices. I'm Fort Suze for Concierge Coastal Services, dedicated to expanding your enjoyment of the world's most beautiful beaches.